Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create account Alibaba application on computer. So how to create account Alibaba application on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many options. Tap Sign here. Here a menu like this will appear. Tap Create Account. Now an account creation menu like this will appear. Enter all the data, starting from your email name and your phone number. After finishing, tap Create Account. And then here you will be asked for a code, which was sent to the email you entered earlier. Type the code here. Then tap this. Now here I have successfully created a new account. So that's it, tutorial how to create account Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.